Lawyer under fire. Tonight, our I-team investigating the case of one lawyer accused of pocketing some of his clients' money, allegedly misappropriating their real estate-related funds.
Consumer investigative reporter Jason Knowles joining us tonight. He confronted the attorney in question.
We did, and we talked to him. The state organization that disciplines and regulates attorneys filed a 12-count complaint against a lawyer under fire. He's accused of holding on to clients' cash. One family in Niles said they hired him to get out of a financial mess. Instead, they say they're deeper in debt.
He was coming to my work. He was asking for money. That's how did he have to do such a thing?
Christos and Sophie Demas say their life is in financial ruins. They partially blame this man, attorney Nikola Durick. The couple says they paid Durick tens of thousands of dollars to help them save properties, but they lost their restaurant and are losing their home.
How could you do this?
A legal complaint filed by the Illinois Attorney Registration and Disciplinary Commission shows the Demases paid Durick more than $111,000. In the complaint, Durick is charged with misappropriating about $45,000 from the Demases.
He gave us hope and everything that everything was going to be fine.
The Demases say they were trusting Durick to use the money to pay and negotiate with the banks to keep them in their home.
My house is being foreclosed. I'm going to be out of the street.
They also say Durick was going to help them save their restaurant. Instead, the Demases say they were forced to sell their beloved business at a loss. Durick denies making such promises.
For 40 years, it worked in that location, 40 years.
And they aren't the only angry clients. 7 others say they are owed money. The ARDC complaint says Durick misappropriated about $320,000 in all.
I feel like he is in my eyes, a criminal, stealing people's money like that.
In his response to the ARDC complaint, Durick denied all allegations. He declined an on-camera interview with the I-team, his attorney instead offering this statement. Mr. Durick denies engaging in misconduct. He looks forward to presenting evidence regarding the matter at hearing.
He thinks he is like an innocent, he walks on the street.
I still had more questions and caught up with Durick. The Demases say you stole their money.
That's untrue, and I believe my attorney has sent you a communication to that effect. It's not true.
He did, but we want to talk to you about those allegations. And what do you have to say about them? Are you denying them?
Yes.
And in a statement about the Demases' claims, his lawyer said, Mr. Durick also denies that he engaged in any misconduct. He represented them for 7 years, helping them stave off foreclosure on both their house and their restaurant, despite not making mortgage payments during that time. His work helped put them in the position of being able to sell their restaurant rather than lose it. The Demases did not compensate Mr. Durick for that work. He has filed a claim against them for that compensation. He also says their false claims stem from them not paying him in full. But it's not just one allegation. These are several people.
And again, they're not true. We have responded accordingly, and we will continue to respond, and I will defend myself because they're untrue and they're fabricated. But having said that...
By all those people, all fabricated.
I'm not sure exactly what you mean by all the people. Whatever allegations were made are fabricated.
Well, you've seen the complaint.
Let me please, again, I don't want to go from you. I'm late for an appointment. Come to my office.
He never set up another interview, and the Demases say they haven't gotten any answers from him.
For something like that to happen was total devastation.
The next ARDC hearing is at the end of November. Depending on the final outcome, the Illinois Supreme Court could eventually take away Durick's license and order him to pay back clients in the complaint, or it could all be dismissed. If you want to report an attorney or research their record, you can do that on the ARDC website, which is linked to this story on our website, abc7chicago.com, or our free news app. It's important to do.